So recently, Max and me traveled to Hannover, Germany to host a special training at the Deutsche ADP, where we focus on working methods that really work well for professional companies that install car wraps, paint protection film, window film, car customizing. So we are focusing on pre-washing and pre-cleaning, measuring paint, of course, what can be done, what can't be done, cleansing with clay, washing methods, that all demo the Decon Smart Car Care products. We don't only explain it, we also actually do it together with the attendees. So that means that we will demo and then we say, hey, please step forward and do it with us. So you're always also making your first steps into routine. In this case, we are pre-cleaning here with snow foam and cleaning wheels. You can also see what the products are doing when we look closely to the foam that's dripping on the ground. The goal, of course, is to find work methods that speed up the game and that also improve quality, so that cars are getting onto the lift in the garage faster and cleaner and drier. So the better the preparations are, the better the results will be when installing wrapping vinyl, installing PPF or color PPF. At the end of the day, it's always a business, so we need to find work methods that work well in the light of having a business and keeping that business alive. So that means it needs to go very well, have perfect results, but also to have a speedy way of working that doesn't waste time. So that's very important. It was a great group of people, great atmosphere. So it also sense that people laugh a lot within the team. Deutsche ADP, thank you very much for having us. Looking forward to seeing you again. If you're interested in detailing training, then you might want to click on the pop-up banner as well, where we travel to Denmark and we do a Nexus E quartz training there. Thanks for watching. See you guys and girls in the next one. Bye bye.